Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, if installed, service cover, keyboard, and top cover. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the USB board ZIF connector and disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the USB board to the base enclosure. Lift the left edge of the USB board and slide the USB board external connectors out of the cutouts in the base enclosure. Remove the USB board and place it in a static-dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the USB board from the static-dissipative bag. Tow the external connectors on the USB board into the cutouts in the base enclosure and lower the USB board into position. Replace the 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the USB board to the base enclosure. Insert the USB board ribbon cable into the USB board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable.